How to fix Tiny Bunny is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then go to General tab. And under launch options, you want to add this command, which is dash or hyphen dx11 without spaces. And then go to installed files, click on verify integrity, and wait for the process to finish verifying your files. And once this is done, you want to close Steam and then open up your browser, search for Redist, which will bring up this Microsoft link, so you can click on it and scroll down to this second table. Now from here you will need to download and install the 86 version and the 64 of the redistributables. And once you install them or repair them, it will most likely ask you to restart your system. But before you do that, you'll also need to check if you have the latest graphics update. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU or NVIDIA card, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app and go to the drivers. And from here you can select Game Ready driver, check for the latest updates, and make sure to download and install the latest driver. And once you do that, you can proceed to restart your computer. And just after the restart, you can search for Steam and right click on it and then just run as admin before you launch the game. Now you can launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.